Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to fix the ChatGPT Unable to load conversation issues or error, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. So one of the most effective solutions is logging back out and logging back in. Go to ChatGPT for that. And once you are here, you can look out for your profile by tapping on the menu at the top left and selecting your profile and going over, scrolling down, finding the option for logout and tapping on it, and then logging back in again into your chat GPT. Apart from that, again, just go over and check your OpenAI server status as well because it may be due to high traffic or an outage. Also ensure a stable internet connection. You can go over access to quick setting panels and try changing between the network that you're connected to currently. You can switch to Wi-Fi or mobile data and see if that's the issue as well. And apart from that, what you may do is you can clear the app cache data. So you can hold the app for that, go to the info, and once you go to the info, you can scroll down, go to storage and tap on it, and look out for the clear cache option, and also clear the data if necessary. And also try reinstalling it if that does not work afterward. Also update the app, make sure you're using the latest version. Go to Play Store, go to search and search for ChatGPT. And if there is any kind of update available for the following app, you can update it and use the latest version as outdated applications can have compatibility issue. Also restart your device, hold your power button for that and look out for the restart option. A simple restart should resolve temporary glitches and free up the system resources. And that's it everybody, those are the solutions you can follow up. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.